Snoring is the biggest issue today. Snoring everywhere. I too have it.
To free from snoring in just 7 days, use this VIP Snore Care Oil prepared from natural herbs.
Got it and used. Within 1 week, believe me, my snoring stopped. So happily I'm sleeping now. Peacefully, my husband also sleeps.
Peaceful sleep every day. VIP Snore Care Oil.
Use this and see, then you'll realize what this Aarti saying is true.